teaching English to visually impaired students and analyzing of teacher problems. In Indonesia, English and Hindi tended to be one of compulsory subjects in junior high school, senior high school, and university. It is widely known that English is important for the most common reason that English is a global or international language. By mastering by mastering English, the student might improve their communication skill, widen their opportunities to study from various sources, and pursue their future studies and career. Several previous studies report teacher problem in teaching English to visual impaired students. Basaran 2012 focused on strengths and problem as well as techniques and material using by three EFL teacher working into special pyramid school for the visual impaired student. Referring to the studies above, it, it can be inferred that being visually impaired does not necessarily mean being useful language learner. Visually impaired is a disorder characterized by poor visual function that cannot be repaired by refractive correction, medical procedure, or surgery. In conclusion, visual impairment is a condition where a person's vision is not the same as regular as vision in regular person in general. The visual impaired should be educated in the same general way as the sighted following the same general principle. But teacher must have some teaching strategies for them. Students with low vision or those who are legally blind may need help in using residual vision more efficiently and in working with special aid and material. Problem in teaching English to visual impaired students. Teaching English to visual impaired students requires several education considerations to accommodate their special learning needs. Kuchan and Samin 2018 mentioned that there are several factors to consider that might arise problem to teaching English to visual impaired students. There are as following. Lesson plan. A lesson plan needs to be made to know what is going to be taught in the class. It is one of the important parts of the teaching and learning process. Lesson plan contains several components such as subject, material, activities, media, achievement, and each component should be described clearly. Time management. Time management is an inseparable element of a teacher organization. It is the art of arranging schedule and budgeting time of achieve learning objective. Environment issue or the condition of the class can affect the teacher quality in teaching and can cause problem for them. In addition, work class is usually hot, crowded, and noisy. It affects the teaching process and student academic performance. Building effect learning environment seem to have great impact on language learner. Methodology, research, design, participant, and site of the study. This study was conducted by using a qualitative approach with a study method. In reference to the data Obated talk, interview, and documentation. Teacher problem in teaching English to visual impairment students were categorized into four major themes, including one, time management problems; two, student attitude and behavioral problems; three, availability of instructional material; and four, poor classroom condition. The following tables show the desk and code generated from the thematic analysis. Discussion we found that there were several problems faced by teaching and teaching English to visual impaired students at one special school in Palembang. Those considered of A. Time management problems; B. Student attitude and behavior problems; C. Lack of intersectional material for students with visual impairments; and D. Poor classroom condition. The findings show that most of the teachers had encountered time management problems due to their limited teaching hours for English lesson. This is in line with Alu, Luke, and Price. Teachers had problems to deal with student attitude and behavior. Jardiner et al. In their study state that attitude as a evaluative reaction to some reference, e.g. behavior or object on the basis of an individual belief and opinion about the research. Lack of intersectional material also posed problem for the teacher in teaching. They had very limited teaching material for visual impaired students, such as large print book and textbook, audio software, and hardware for teaching English. According to Al-Hashemi and Al-Ghazawi, using involvement as a standard of evaluating the textbook is one of the different ways the use of involvement helps in investigating the suitability of the textbook for student level and help in exploring student ability to use the learned material. Poor classroom conditions had also become an obstacle that made the teacher experience problems to deal with. Uncomfortable classroom temperature due to insufficient air ventilation distribute the teacher and teaching. According to Fix 2017, ventilation were often used for classes that have a more high humidity level, and the function of the ventilation was to get rid and renew the air inside the classroom. When ventilation were not enough, the CO2 that has been built up in the class will cause humidity inside the class and it trapped inside. According to Robert Falk, Dewey, Jim Ginchal, J. Ryan, and Brandcliffe, 2013, classroom ventilation often do not meet building standards, although this was considered be important to improve indoor air quality. Conclusion: based on the result of this study, there were several problems that the English teacher had encountered in teaching English to visually impaired students. The main problems were associated with time management, student attitude and behavior, lack of intersectional material and equipment, and poor classroom condition. This problem need to be overcome or delayed. are the least minimized to give optional learning space and opportunity of the student with visual impairment to learn English. This study might often basic information of problem experienced by the teacher in teaching English to students with visual impairment. Further study might be direction to investigate other problem and also the strategies to facilitate visual impaired students in learning English.